G'day guys, it's Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities here. Where have we been for the last month or so? A bit longer than that. Well, we've been doing a fair few things. One, I had to get my shop organised because the way I had it was just not good for workflow or anything like that. And then we started applying for house loans and trying to get a house. So then now we've got furniture down there as well, so I've had to move that around. And in the midst of all that, I've got a CNC. I've built that, and I'm in the processes of trying to learn how to use that and breaking bits like a madman. Hopefully that'll stop soon because that's an expensive exercise. But in the interim of all of that, I've been able to actually build something for a client, and that something was some Viking thrones, which is what this video is about. So it's just a generalized build video, some information sort of background. They're for a themed wedding. It's a Viking themed wedding. They wanted the authenticity of the used timbers, so you won't see much sanding other than just taking the splinters off. They wanted the saw marks. They wanted all the scuff marks on the used palings that were used for the back end of it. They wanted not so finished cuts. They wanted them to look all right, and they wanted them a certain way, but they didn't want machined cuts. So you'll see that it doesn't look perfect at all. But these are stage chairs, and they wanted it to form a part. Hopefully I'll be getting some pictures from the wedding of the chairs in the next couple of weeks or so, and I'll put those up on my Facebook and Instagram sites. But coming up, we've got some Viking chairs. We hope you enjoy the build. Thank you.